Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I'm just going to do just a quick little review of this Thermold magazine. So a couple weeks ago, I was in Dunham'S sporting goods store and I came across this very cute AR-15 30 round magazine. So of course it stuck out to me because I love pink. This magazine is pink and it is their pink mag series. It does hold 5.56 and 2.23 calibers. I do have a AR-15 pistol that is pink and black, which I adore. I'll show it to you a little bit in this video in a moment. And I figured maybe this will match my AR-15 pistol. So I got it home and I realized it's a little off. So I'm just going to show you what the magazine looks like. Let me go ahead and take it out the package. And I figure I'll just keep it anyway, of course, and maybe add something to it. Some type of embellishments, maybe a cute decal. But the fact that it's pink was enough for me. It's very lightweight. It almost feels like a toy, but it's not, of course. But it just feels very lightweight. Now, this American Tactical magazine is the one that I have inside of my AR-15 pistol. And as you can see, mine is a little bit taller. This one is a little shorter, but they both hold 30 rounds. But this is more so a bubblegum pink. This one is more so a deeper fuchsia pink. And my other magazine that I have is just a regular black magazine. Here is my 10.5-inch barrel Bear Creek Arsenal AR-15 pistol. So let me just show you again how this just it's not too far off, but it kind of clashes. But just to have an extra magazine, like why not? And I like pink, so I felt like it was like a no-brainer. So it was about $22.99. It was on sale for $17.99. So I was like, why not get this? Okay, let me just show you guys first. It's clear. There's nothing in here. I'm gonna try it in here for you guys. So that's how it fits in there. It kind of looks like it matches when I look at it in this light, but as you can see, this is 1 or 2 shades lighter. It's really pretty. And if you want to know how I embellished my stabilizer fin and my hand grip, I do have a video where you can watch and see how I did that. But overall, I do like this magazine, and I'll be doing a video eventually showing how it shoots. And I want you to see how the American Tactical looks in here. It's a little scratched up because this has to go up into the mag well. Okay, so this is how it looks with my fuchsia in there. See how it's like a more, and this color is called Sig Pink. This is Cerakote. It came from Bear Creek Arsenal like this. This was a custom build. There's a video for that as well. So this all matches up pretty good here. And let me just show you on the other side of my magazine, I added some Swarovskis and some glass fuchsia rhinestones to this as well. And then this is the black magazine, so I like to use both of these. But now I'll have a third one as a backup as well. Again, you can check out my other videos that I have as far as the painting and customization and the rhinestone embellishments for my AR-15 10.5-inch barrel pistol. And if you see this Thermold magazine, maybe you can pick you one up too from Dunham'S. We'll see how durable it is. Like I said, it feels like a toy. Okay, so one other thing that I did notice, it will not hold the bolt back. When you pull the slide back, it's supposed to hold, but it doesn't. So let me just show you how it does on my other American Tactical magazine. see how it holds the bolt back on this one? So I'm not exactly sure what that's about, but that's the difference. So that may make or break your purchase. So I'll have to test that out more and figure out what's going on with that when I go to the gun range. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.